what's in this makeup bag? Or better yet, what does my daily routine look like? Not sure if you're even interested or if you've even wondered, but I thought I might share what a real woman over 60, 61 to be precise, kind of does for her skin on the daily. Hi, I'm Linda from A Labor of Life, coming to you live from Ottawa, Canada, and I am an boomer who loves food, fun, and fashion and likes to share it all with you on the net. So let's get to it. Today's video was inspired by a little irritant that I have. So I don't want to say a rant, so this isn't a rant. It's just kind of an observation. If you are a woman over 40, over 50, over 60, who knows what age you are, do you ever get irritated when you see not just models on TV and in magazines sharing skincare and how it takes care of their skin, but now even every social media channel, it's every young creator under the age of 30, definitely under the age of 40, who are sharing skincare products and how they swear by it and they love it, and you're gonna need this. If you get this, it's going to take care of all your wrinkles and your creases, and you're gonna look beautiful and you're gonna look young. And then the next reel, they actually share about the Botox that they got and the dermaplaning that they got. And anyway, nothing against it. Trust me, I truly, probably if I had the money, I'd be doing a lot more of it myself. A lot, I say a lot more. I'd be doing some of it myself, but I don't. But sometimes I just wonder why companies don't send their products to real life women to actually show what it looks like on real life skin. Now, granted, I've been sent some by companies. I love those companies because I feel that they're actually trying to show how it works in real life, even though I like my real life. So today, I'm going to share with you exactly what my morning routine looked like. And we're going to show you up close. This is my face. I've put, oh, look at red eyes, but anyway, I've put a little bit of eyeliner on because that's what I do, because I wear glasses. So a little bit of eyeliner, that's it. There's no makeup on this face. I'm gonna show you what I put on this morning in the order that I put it on. And I can't see you because I don't have my glasses on now. So lately I've been using this. What's this? Anyway, it's great cream. I shared this on my Instagram. You can see that's how much is left. Not a lot. So take a bunch of this, put it on my face, rub it in. And I love it. And then I take this, closest I've ever come to surgery on my face. Use the red. This is what I do all over my face and my neck. And I put a lot of pressure here under my chin because I keep hoping someday this will just dissolve all the fat under my chin, or somehow, miracle of miracles, give me a chin again. Anyway, I use the red and I switch it to the blue. Focus a little bit more. I do this. Truth be told, I have no idea if this is actually making a difference on my face. I think it is, but I don't care because it's like giving yourself a little massage every morning. And sometimes they do it at night too. So anyway, I follow up with that. And then I often use the roller. And I follow up with the Daily Moisturizer. Same brand again. It's lovely. Just going to show you. There you go. Do that. Rub that on my face. Rub it on my neck. And usually also on my décollage. That's what I do. Lately, I just received the Nivea Luminous 630. It's a dark spot solution, and they say use it in the morning and in the evening. I'll show it to you. What's that? You're supposed to use this before you, so I should have, before you put any skincare products on. And use it twice a day, and not more than 4 times a day. So now I'm doing this, so I better not do this tonight. So my new routine is to put that on first, and then follow up with this, and this, and a few other things that I will show you. And I'm doing that, and I'm really focused because the last couple of years, I have a dark spot that showed up, in particular here. I mean, I have lots of dark spots here, lots of freckles and spots, because, let's be honest, I am 61. I grew up in the 70s and 80s. I loved suntanning without a whole lot of SPF at the time. And I'm fair-skinned with blue eyes and freckles. So I probably have very blotchy skin, but it's in pretty good shape, I think. See that? No Botox. Although I really would like some hair. And hair. Truth be told. Let's be honest. And maybe a little Botox here in the lips too. Pump them up. But I haven't done that yet, so maybe someday. But in the meantime, I am just showing you skincare products on a real face. And then this, one of my all-time favorites. Hope you can see this. My Jouviance, the 3-in-1. I use this every day. So yeah, I put about 4 different creams on my skin. We do that. Probably gonna look at this video after it's all done and see how I look and go, oh my good gosh, Linda, how could you ever think anybody would want to see you do this? But it is what it is. And then every couple days, I use my Jergens Glow, which has an SPF 20. And if I don't use my SPF 20, I usually put a SPF, my Neutrogena, usually SPF 50 or 60 on my face, even in the winter. Because I'm a lot smarter at 61 than I was at 24. Makeup wise, what do I do? This. I got my new Got to Be 2-in-1 Brow and Edge Gel. I always do because I do have big eyebrows. So I can't open this anymore because my, oh, there we go. Hands are slick, but I'll show you what I do. A little bit here. Get it in my hair. So it kind of holds my brows in place. And then I use an eyeliner. Right now, I'm using the NYX Jumbo in, I don't know what shade, brown. It's a brown shade, Frappe. That currently needs to be sharpened. But just put a little bit here, a little bit on the top. And most times, most days, that is it, that is all. I then put a little bit of my Jouviance cream on my lips. I'm good to go for the day. There you have it. That's a quick, real makeup routine of a 61-year-old, showing you how those creams really make your skin look. So we've been using this for several weeks. I've been using this for several months. I've been using this for 3 days. And I've been using this for years. So as much as I love the sun, I love sun vacations, and I love hanging by my pool, and I love getting a suntan, I also try to still take care of my skin better. So I rarely ever actually tan my face. I always use some kind of self-tanner and always use SPF because I'm no longer 24. I'm 61 and a little bit smarter, I hope. So that's my skincare routine. This is what a face looks like of a real 61-year-old woman who probably doesn't take care of herself as much as she should, doesn't wear as much makeup as she should, and definitely I do actually use all the skincare that I can. That is my jam. Anyway, thanks for staying tuned. This is Linda from A Labor of Life. Hope you like what you've seen. If you've got any comments or questions, put them down below. I will try to answer them for you. And I will continue to share what I am doing, where I'm going, and what I'm working on. So food, fun, fashion, napkin folds, tablescapes, and lots more fun and crafts. A little bit of cruise, a little bit of travel thrown in for a whole lot of fun. This is Linda, A Labor of Life. We'll see you on the net.